Jesse's got a big catfish on in this little bitty pond.
Let him weigh out a little bit.
What'd you catch him on? Nightcrawlers?
Yeah, Nightcrawler and a bait hook. Offset.
Yep.
Oh, there he goes again. You don't like the bank. I don't think I much would like it either if I was him. Come on, big guy. He's so strong.
He's stirring up the whole lake.
Yeah. All the other fish are probably freaking out like, what's going on? I got some lip grippers right there on the back of the backpack if you want to grab them with that.
Biggest thing's getting him through this mud.
Oh, no kidding.
You look like he's hooked good?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'd say so. You want to grab them lip grippers?
No, I'll get him. Oh man, this mud is soft.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, can you slide him any further up here without breaking the line?
I'll try.
Try and roll him. There you go. Oh no, gonna have to grab him now. One flop and he's leaving. Just putting, you had it right the first time, but that'll work. All right, there he is. That's a nice one. We'll take him up there and clean him up and weigh him. If you love fishing, please subscribe.